Hi everyone, welcome to the channel Just Travel Plus, where it's all about traveling. And today I'm going to be taking you from Colorado Street in McKinney, Texas to Waterfall Way in Wylie, Texas. And this is going to be a scenic route as usual, so please enjoy the view. Please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel for more and to turn that notification bell on. If you love the video, please give it a thumbs up and please remember to leave a comment below. So now we're on the main road heading into Wylie. We're still in McKinney, Texas, and as you can see, the structures here are not that well developed. This is the older section of McKinney, Texas, so the buildings are a little bit, on the older side. But as you go, you'll realize that there's still a lot of development going on. And for those of us who are not familiar with the McKinney area, McKinney, Plain, and Frisco, those are more of a farming area years ago, and now they've become so well developed. But now you realize that there are still persons who does a little bit of farming. So some lands, they still have their animals, their horses on it. So you'll see a lot of trucks with different equipment because, as I said, there's still homes or estates that still has farming going on. This is the area here we're going to be going. We're going to go left. We're going to be going into, still in McKinney, heading into Wylie. If you go right, that will take you back into the Plano area. And there are different places that you can actually go in McKinney, Texas. Here you have the historic downtown area in McKinney. You also have the Herd Natural Museum, or the Science Museum and Wildlife, and that's a pretty family friendly area. You know, you can always take your children there for, you know, learning and exhibition purposes. There is also Town Lake Park, which is also a little fun area for kids, and there's a bunch of different things you can actually do while you're in the McKinney area. And there's also the Collin County History Museum that you can actually visit as well. But as I said before, the best things you can actually do in the McKinney area is to visit the Herd Natural Museum and Wildlife Sanctuary, and it's to the left here. We're just about passing that little area. You also have the Lone Star Wine Cellars. You have Oak Ola Golf Course that you can actually visit. The Main Street, I think we're going to be passing through Main Street as well. And they have the Louisville Lake. They also have local produce, you know, Town Lake recreational area, and Tops Brewery that you can actually visit in the McKinney area. And please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel, turn that notification bell on, and remember to leave a comment. Remember to give it a thumbs up as you go along. And what I realized is the further you get outside of like the plainer area, the heart of McKinney, the houses, they have more land space. So these folks around this section is just so blessed with a lot of space in terms of land around them. Other areas, it is so like, the houses are so close, so you don't have that much of a land where you can go ahead and, expand or do anything like, play games and all. So you'll realize that you have so many trees in between these houses, and that is just something that I love about the countryside here. Let me know what you think. Do you like, a lot of space between your houses, or do you like, not having much space in between? Do you like to be peeping into your neighbor's yard or backyard, or having them looking in yours? What is your preference? And I think by now we were in the Wylie area driving in. It would have been my first time driving this route heading into Wylie. And so, as I say, I might not know all the different areas, but for the view, I do hope that you enjoyed the video, and at least you're a little bit more familiar with what some places in Texas look like. People, I do tell you that it was a beautiful drive in from the McKinney area into the Wylie area. It was just a calm and relaxing, ride. Everything about it was good, from, just observing nature itself. It was just a wonderful day. It wasn't too hot, it wasn't too cold, and everything about it was just lovely. The only thing I needed was, a little bit more company, but otherwise it was a wonderful trip. All right, so it has come to the end of my video. I do hope that you enjoy the scenic view with me. The ride was very lovely, I must say. It was very calm and relaxing, as I said earlier. I do hope that you will remember to like, share, subscribe, turn that notification bell on, because I have more videos coming with different parts of Texas that I'll be touring on a daily basis, and I will just upload them as soon as I can. And I will try to ensure that my music goes well with the video. Until then, please remember to hit that subscribe button. It is just Travel Plus, and I do appreciate you being a subscriber here, and thank you for viewing and thank you for sharing. I do hope that you will have a wonderful day. Oh yeah, I did miss my turn here, so I had to kind of go back into the right lane and then make a U-turn, illegal U-turn, and head back into the area that I was supposed to go. All right, either way, please remember, enjoy the video. Bye.